If this is how you picture falling into a black hole, a gentle, peaceful drift through sparkling stars, you're so wrong. Let me paint the real picture. You're strapped into a tiny ship, racing toward the most terrifying object in the known universe. A cosmic vacuum cleaner that devours entire stars for breakfast.
Wait, so we're actually going inside one? Like, on purpose?
Exactly. Today, we're not just flying toward a black hole. We're crossing its borders, plunging through its layers, and exploring 10 places inside that will shatter everything you think you know about reality. Each destination gets stranger than the last. Time warps. Space folds. Physics gives up completely. And the 10th place? That one might reveal where our entire universe actually came from.
Mission profile: total descent through event horizon. Estimated survival probability: 0.001%.
Destination 1, the event horizon. The ultimate point of no return. Imagine standing on a cliff where gravity becomes absolute. The moment your ship crosses this invisible boundary, light itself cannot escape. Not one single photon.
So, no selfies? No postcards home?
None. To anyone watching from outside, you'd appear frozen forever, suspended in time like an eternal photograph. But from your perspective inside the ship, you're still falling smoothly, gracefully even, toward whatever waits deeper.
Event horizon radius for stellar mass black hole: approximately 3 kilometers. Escape velocity exceeds speed of light.
You've just stepped off the map of normal physics. Welcome to the other side. Next stop, the photon sphere, just outside the event horizon. This is where light plays tricks. Here, photons don't fall in or escape, they orbit. Perfectly circular paths around the black hole, bending space itself into a cosmic funhouse mirror.
So if I looked in any direction, I'd see myself staring back?
Exactly. Turn left, there's your spaceship's tail circling around. Look behind you, there's your face, reflected from light that went the long way around. Every direction shows infinite copies of you, trapped in gravitational eternity.
Photon sphere located at 1.5 times Schwarzschild radius. Light deflection, maximum.
It's the universe's most hypnotic prison. Before we plunge deeper, pause to witness nature's most spectacular violence, the accretion disk. Picture a glowing pancake of death encircling the black hole. Gas from nearby stars, entire planets, clouds of cosmic dust, all spiraling inward at fantastic speeds. Friction heats it to millions of degrees.
It sounds like staring into the sun, if the sun was angry.
More angry. This disk shines brighter than billions of stars combined. The light you see comes from matter being tortured by gravity, stretched thin, heated beyond imagination, then swallowed forever. Every swirl, every ripple in that disk tells the story of something that used to exist, and soon won't.
Disk temperature range: 100,000 to 10 million Kelvin. Matter infall velocity: 99% speed of light.
Beautiful. Terrifying. Unstoppable. Now things get truly bizarre. You've entered the static zone. Time dilation kicks into overdrive. Your watch ticks normally to you, but to the outside universe? You're practically standing still.
Wait, so if I waved at Earth right now, they'd see me frozen mid-wave forever?
Correct. A conversation that takes you 1 minute might take the rest of the universe 1,000 years. Your coffee stays hot while civilizations rise and fall beyond the horizon. You're not just falling through space anymore. You're falling through time itself.
Current time dilation factor: 1 second equals approximately 10,000 years external time.
The deeper you go, the slower you become, to everyone but yourself. Prepare for discomfort. Welcome to the spaghettification zone. The name tells you everything. Tidal forces here become extreme. Gravity pulls much harder on your feet than your head, the difference literally rips you apart.
Ouch. So, noodleification?
Atom by atom. First your body stretches tall, then thinner, then your molecules separate, then your very atoms elongate into strands. You become a human spaghetti strand falling toward oblivion. Popular science calls this spaghettification, but scientists prefer the dignified term tidal disruption.
Tidal acceleration gradient exceeds atomic bond strength by factor of 10 to the 12th power. Human survival threshold violated.
Your last thought might be, I should have picked a beach vacation. If consciousness somehow survives that stretching, you cross another boundary, the inner horizon of a rotating black hole. Here, physics starts breaking character. Space and time twist into knots. Some regions might contain infinite energy density.
Infinite energy? Like universe-destroying infinite?
Potentially. This region might act like a cosmic amplifier, stacking energy waves until reality cracks. Or it might spawn infinite copies of itself, parallel falls through parallel black holes. Quantum mechanics suggests you could emerge in different places, different times, different versions of the universe entirely.
Inner horizon properties, mathematically unstable. Energy accumulation, unbounded. Predictability, none.
You're not in Kansas anymore. Or any recognizable universe. Deeper still, reality loses all pretense of solidity. Welcome to the quantum foam. At scales smaller than atoms, spacetime isn't smooth fabric, it's a bubbling, fizzing frenzy. Virtual particles pop in and out of existence. Microscopic wormholes flicker like faulty light bulbs.
So space itself is glitching?
Exactly. This quantum foam might be the true foundation of reality. Every flash, every bubble contains the potential for new universes, new physics, new laws. You're not traveling through empty space anymore. You're swimming through possibility itself.
Observed at Planck length scale, 1.6 times 10 to the minus 35 meters. Foam activity, continuous.
The closer you get to the center, the more reality resembles a dream. Suddenly, amidst the quantum chaos, a tunnel appears. A stable path of warped spacetime stretching before you. The wormhole corridor.
Is this our way out?
Maybe. Some theories propose black holes connect to white holes elsewhere in the universe, or even different universes entirely. This tunnel might lead to Andromeda Galaxy. Or the edge of time itself. Mathematically, every black hole could be a doorway. The question is, where does the door open?
Wormhole traversal requirements, exotic matter. Stability duration, theoretical maximum unknown. Destination, indeterminate.
Take that step, and you rewrite not just your story, but potentially the entire cosmos. If the wormhole works, you emerge in blinding light blasted from a white hole. The black hole's mirror twin. Where black holes suck matter inward, white holes expel it violently outward.
So this is like cosmic vomiting?
Poetic, but accurate. All the mass, energy, and information the black hole consumed comes surging back out, potentially seeding new galaxies, new stars, new realities. You entered as doomed traveler. You exit as the birth cry of creation itself.
White hole characteristics, purely theoretical. Matter expulsion mechanism, time-reversed black hole collapse. Observability, impossible from standard spacetime.
Death becomes rebirth. Consumption becomes creation. But what if no wormhole opened? No white hole waited? Then your final destination awaits, the singularity. All the black hole's mass compresses into a point smaller than an atom, but heavier than entire star systems. Infinite density. Zero volume.
So, this is it? The absolute end?
Or the ultimate beginning. At the singularity, spacetime curvature becomes infinite. The laws of physics we know cease to function. Some theories suggest quantum gravity takes over, rewriting reality from scratch.
Singularity parameters, density infinite. Volume 0. Predictability 0. Mathematical description, incomplete.
Here's the mind-blowing possibility. Our own Big Bang might have been a singularity just like this one. The death of one universe birthing ours. Every black hole potentially contains a new cosmos, waiting to expand. Your journey doesn't end in destruction. It might restart everything. So, how was the trip? Inside a black hole, you witness 10 realms where reality unravels thread by thread. Places where time freezes, light orbits, atoms stretch, and existence reboots.
Think we'll ever send a real probe inside one?
Maybe. Or maybe black holes stay nature's perfect mysteries, reminding us the universe keeps secrets deeper than our questions. Until we crack their code, keep looking up at those distant dark spots in the sky. Because somewhere out there, 10 more impossible places wait. For someone brave enough to fall.